Hello, welcome to Starrlight Bakery. You want to see how we make our sourdough with solar power? Come follow me. For us, solar power is really at the center of what we do in a way, because we built the whole business around the concept of using renewable energy in a bakery. We don't want to start another business that pollutes. We bake bread and we make pizza. The bread, we make a number of different sourdough shapes, which is all made from local grains from New York State. So this one has the lowest carbon footprint because it's less transportation of the flour. We use the same bread flour for our pizza and for our focaccia as well. And over here is our mixer going through the autolyze at the moment. This is where the magic happens. The autolyze is just water and flour. No starter yet. Starter's being added. I'm so interested in finding ways to, make things from natural ingredients, whether that's the flour that we use for the bread, and it obviously extends to the heat that we use to bake the bread. Yeah, we only use electric ovens because that allows us to use the solar panels for baking. The solar panels on the roof generate about $325 a month at the moment. So we use the Enphase app to monitor the system, and it tells us exactly the amount of power we generate at different times. We reached out to a number of different installation providers and compared a little bit their approach, specifically the mounting on the roof that they use. That was kind of our biggest concern, is to not damage the roof. And Brooklyn SolarWorks seemed a little bit more focused on that, having these answers and having a really cool canopy system that I absolutely love the design of. The installation was so quick and well organized. I was very impressed with the crew that came out. It took us one day. It's been working perfectly, no maintenance required. Brooklyn SolarWorks takes care of the entire arc of the project, from planning, design, permitting, working with Con Ed, and getting the paperwork done, even for the incentives. So it's kind of turnkey service. If anybody wants to try pizza made from solar power, you can come here Tuesday through Sunday. We start at 5 p.m.